All right, this is Mr. Everett's engine that we just put in last week. I'm gonna start it up, see if you hear that knock. Here we go. Misfire number 1 and 4. Now I'm going to let off the throttle. Massive dead misfire. I don't know if you hear it. Straight up misfire, you see the windshield shaking.